Are taxes eroding your wealth? Here's how to protect it. With the 2020 income tax deadline quickly approaching, are you shelling out a lot of your earnings in tax, and are you wondering, what can I do to save on taxes next year? Did you know that you can reduce your tax liability by several well-calculated stock market investments? Not just through tax saving schemes that offer investment benefits alongside tax savings, but also through other calculated moves. Let's start with ELSS. Equity-linked saving schemes are basically mutual funds that invest in stocks. By investing in these mutual funds, investors stand the chance to earn if the stock selected and invested in by the fund manager perform well. Additionally, investments of up to Rs 1.5 lakh are eligible for income tax deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act against a lock-in period of 3 years. Next up, we have short-term capital gains. A 3-year lock-in period might prove to be too much of a commitment for some of us. Investing in equities for less than a year means that any earnings you make will be treated as short-term capital gains and will be taxed at a concessional rate of 15%. Long-term capital gains. If investment term duration is not a problem and you have a slightly higher risk appetite than average mutual fund investor, then one might want to choose stocks independently rather than rely on the judgment of a mutual fund manager. Long-term capital gains are taxed at a flat rate of 10%. To offer a perspective, fixed deposits are also taxed at this amount, but without the probability of high earnings in the event that the stock performs well. Moreover, there is a basic exemption of up to Rs 1 lakh. Our financial maneuver for today's discussion is losses made on the stock market can be offset against profits made on the stock market. You are probably thinking, well, this is all very well, but how does the stock market work? Well, you are in luck. We have a whole collection of videos, podcasts and blogs that can help amateur stock market investors wrap their heads around key concepts, jargons, commonly used trading techniques and the various charts and indicators used by stock market traders, just like this one.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.